Welcome back to English Made Easy.
We're here to talk about real life in easy English so you get a few minutes of natural practice in your day.
I'm Nico.
And I'm Bella.
So today is all about winter.
Great. My favorite topic.
I already know you're not a fan.
My body was not made for cold. As soon as the temperature drops, I just want to cry and go back to bed.
You're really a please bring back summer person.
Yes, 100%. Absolutely.
And people like you are easy to see in winter.
Why?
Because you bundle up like crazy.
That's true. I really do. I bundle up a lot.
When we say I bundle up, it means we put on a lot of warm clothes and layers when it's cold.
T-shirt, sweater, big coat, scarf, hat, 2 pairs of socks, all the things.
So you're basically a small person inside a big pile of clothes.
Exactly. If I don't bundle up, I'm cold and grumpy all day.
And even with all those layers, you still get cold.
Of course. Sometimes I'm freezing.
I can't feel my fingers freezing?
Yes. For example, last week, I was waiting for the bus for 20 minutes. No gloves, cold wind. I was chilly.
So you were just chilling at the bus stop?
Chilling? No, I wasn't relaxing. I was suffering.
Yeah, that's the funny thing. I'm chilling usually sounds like I'm relaxing.
Oh, right. Like, I'm just chilling at home.
Exactly. For cold weather, we say, I'm freezing. But I'm chilling is more like I'm hanging out, I'm relaxed.
So I should say I was waiting for the bus. It was really chilly and I was freezing, not I was chilling at the bus stop.
Yes. Chilling at the bus stop sounds like you're having a nice time there.
Trust me, I was not having a nice time.
After a day like that, you only want one thing.
Home, straight home.
Yeah, straight home.
Home and everything cozy.
You're very serious about cozy, huh?
I am. Cozy for me is soft clothes, a blanket, warm lights, and a hot drink. Everything calm and comfortable.
Like sitting on the sofa with a blanket and hot chocolate.
Exactly. My perfect winter evening, cozy blanket, hot chocolate, and a good series. No freezing bus stops.
My version is similar. A short walk in the cold air, then home, hot tea, and a book.
Of course. Very calm energy, very Nico.
You also kind of disappear in winter.
I do. I hibernate.
Winter Bella mode.
Yeah. In winter, I stay at home a lot. I go out less. I sleep more. I work. I come home. I bundle up. And then I just hibernate under my blanket.
Like a bear.
Exactly. A small, cold bear.
I'm a bit different. I still go out, but more for small dinners with close friends. Inside, warm, cozy.
That's the nice side of winter. Slow, quiet, cozy time with people you like.
Okay, all right. Let's do a quick little recap before we finish.
Winter Bella first.
Winter Bella hates the cold, bundles up in about 10 layers, freezes at bus stops, runs home to be cozy, and then hibernates under her blanket.
That is exactly right. And Winter Nico doesn't love the cold either, but likes quiet winter evenings, warm lights, simple walks in the cold air, and a cozy drink at home.
And we used a few nice words today.
First, I'm not a fan of. An easy way to say you don't really like something. I'm not a fan of winter.
Then bundle up. Put on a lot of warm clothes and layers when it's cold.
Cozy. When a place or moment feels warm, comfortable, and relaxed.
Like a blanket, soft clothes, and a hot drink. For the cold, we had chilly and freezing. It's chilly today. I'm freezing at the bus stop.
And chilling is different. Like I'm just chilling at home means I'm relaxing.
And finally, hibernate, like a bear in winter. If you say, I kind of hibernate in winter, you mean you stay at home a lot and live very quietly.
Now it's your turn. So, do you like winter or not really? What do you do to stay warm and what is your perfect winter evening? Do you bundle up? Do you feel freezing all the time? Do you hibernate like me?
You can use speech to text on your phone, open the comment box, tap the little microphone, say your answer slowly, and let your phone turn your voice into writing.
And post it as a comment. We really do read the comments and we try to reply to as many as we can.
And if you're already in a cozy mood, okay, stay with us a bit longer, tap on the next video you see on the screen, and get a little more easy English practice.
Thanks for spending part of your day with us.
Stay warm, keep practicing, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Bye for now.
All right, goodbye.